M0FXB Hamtech, let's program a repeater and save it to memory on our TYT TH-9800 quad band radio. First thing we'll do is get it into VFO mode by just pressing here. VFO, and when you're in memory mode you'll see channel numbers. You scroll through now, you've got channels, VFO, there you are. You can now type in frequencies using the microphone, or you can turn and you can press and select frequencies like this. You're in VFO mode basically. First thing we'll do then, and we'll use the microphone to type the frequency. So we go 145,600, and that is GB3WR. So that's our frequency. To use the radio, you would have just turned the knob and press it for the larger increments. Next, turn on the automatic repeater shift. Go menu, which is the dot. Go to number 2. And that turns on the shift. So we don't have to select it every time we add a repeater. Press it, press this button here. And just turn it to on. Turn this knob here, on and off, on. Back out if you want, or just keep cycling through the menu, which is fine for us. So next thing we'll do is just show you how to manually do what the automatic does. Turn to 24. 24. There you are. Repeater mode, press. And now you can select plus or minus, or off. If it's off, you are simplex. You are going to be talking and receiving and transmitting on the same frequency. So we'll turn it, well, it doesn't matter now because we're using automatic, and I'll show you what that means. So now when we select a repeater, it automatically puts the minus shift in for us. Next we'll do the tone. Okay, so we'll press menu, select number 30, turn the knob until you get to 30, tone frequency, press, and we want to select 94.8. Well, we've already selected it, but I'll just show you that when you're turning, you can change it. And then once you've got the one you like, that's fine. Just press again. Then scroll up one to number 31, press. And we want encoder. Now you could put what they call encode decode. What that means is that it requires the tone on receive and transmit. The reason it's good for receive, which is actually decode, is because you don't get all the squelchy, scratchy noise. I always just use encode. Okay, press that, tone 31, encode. Okay, and that's it. So we should have everything in there now. If we back out, we've got the tone turned on. We've selected the shift. Oh, I know what, we need to select the shift amount. So the shift amount is menu, so green button, sorry, dot button. Then go to 27. See the shift there. Now press. Now it says 0.60. If it was, say, a 70 centimeter one, it tends to be 7.60. Okay, so that's fine what we've got. You can change it like so. Press it. Now everything should be in there now. So if we press our microphone now, you'll see the frequency change because it's shifting as you transmit, and it's also sending out the CTCSS tone. So that's great. Now we need to put GB3WR into our memory. So long press the dot. Once you've done that, select where you want it to go, so you can see it's flashing. Let's go to number 11. Then press the dot again, and you can start adding letters. And there is a timeout on this. If you take too long, it will time out, but don't worry, you can start again. So we're just going to put in WR for now, just to keep it simple. W, press, then R. PQR. QR, there you are. Now press the dot. It's taken us back to VFO mode. Go into memory mode. And then that was channel 11. And it's there, but it's not showing the name. So we need to tell it to show the name. So what you do is go menu and turn to number 9. press this button, and you want it to display name. Okay. Now, interestingly, it will only show you this menu when you're in memory mode. That's what it did just now. So let's back out. And there you are. It's showing the name now. If we go into VFO mode and try and see the same menu, let's see if it lets me this time. Yeah, it won't let me select it. So to tell it to display the name, we actually have to be in, we back out, memory. Now I'll do the menu, memory mode with the VM. And now when I press, it lets me select name. So I found that by accident. And so now you can start adding lots of different names into your repeaters. So I hope this helps you. Fantastic little radio, covers so many bands, quite inexpensive to buy these days, £150, £160 delivered. And you really, from a ham radio point of view, you pretty much get everything you need regarding the sort of VHF, UHF bands. And you even get 10 meters, don't you? Thanks for watching my channel. 7.3, all the best.